All right, guys, welcome back. Grab your coffee, sit down, because today I want to talk to you. Not just numbers on screen, not just charts. I want to talk to you about the game we are all playing here, the game of trading. So, tomorrow, economic calendar. Let's start with tomorrow, Wednesday, August 12th. And you guys, is a big one. Tomorrow morning at 7:30 Eastern Time, we get the US CPI report. That's the Consumer Price Index. In simple words, this number tells us how fast prices are going up in America. This is the inflation number. The market is expecting CPI to come in around 3.4% year over year. For CPI, which takes out food and energy, is expected around 2.5%. Watch the number closely. Why does it matter to us? Because the Fed watches this number too. If inflation comes in hot, higher than expected, the market can panic. Rate cut, hopes go down, and NASDAQ can drop fast. If inflation comes in cool, lower than expected, the market can celebrate. Rate cut hopes make the market go up. So NASDAQ can rip higher, and we might get all-time highs tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow morning before 7:30, close your extra tabs, turn off the noise, because that number moves the whole market in seconds. Not in minutes, but in seconds. In seconds, we see like crazy big numbers. So yeah, be ready. So, but that's not the only thing on the calendar tomorrow. Before the US CPI, we also get German inflation data and Italian inflation data early in the morning. The Indian CPI, all inflations all around the world. It's like the whole planet is asking the same question tomorrow. Our price is still rising. So tomorrow is big. Tomorrow is a big day. So be ready. And later in the day, tomorrow, we get crude oil inventories. That one can move oil-related names and even shift risk sentiment a little. And in the afternoon, we get a 10-year note action. That tells us how much demand there is for US government debt. If demand is weak, yield can spike. And when yield spike, tech stocks, including NASDAQ names, can feel the pressure. So here is what I say. Mark 7:30 on your calendar. That's the moment tomorrow. Everything else is background noise compared to that release. So yeah. So now let's talk a little bit about NASDAQ, where we are sitting here. So right now we are around 29,650. So we are just sitting a little below a key spot for the options market. So the option market is watching those levels: 585, 650. So above that level, dealers tend to support the market. Below it, it can move a little sharper, a little faster. So into the upside, of course, we have at 30,000, that's a big number, round number. And big round numbers always attract attention. If we push through 30,000 with strength, that could open the door for more upside. So be ready, guys. Be ready. At 30,000, that's a big number, round number. And big round numbers, be ready. Don't sleep. Don't sleep on it. So, of course, to the upside, there is a big wall of resistance up near 30,000, since that's a big round number. But if we push through it, then we can get more upside, So, to the downside, that is support building near 29,500. That's the level bulls want you to defend. If we lose that level with force, especially after hot CPI numbers tomorrow, we could see a faster move lower. So here's the picture in simple words. We are in a tight range. So on the low side, 29,500. On the upside, 30,000. And tomorrow's CPI report is the spark that could send us out of this range, one way or the other. That's exactly why I don't like guessing before high impact news. I like to wait. I like to watch the reaction. Let the market show its hand first. Then I react with a plan, now with my emotions. So now, let me slow down for a second here, because I want to talk about day trading itself, not the flash part, not the real part of day trading. Day trading is not about being right every single time. So I need you to hear that. It's not about being a genius. It's about surviving the long enough and being disciplined enough to let your edge play out. Over 100 trades, over 1,000 trades. We'll have losing trades. The hard part is accepting, That's the hard part for everyone. Accepting being wrong. Wow. So I have losing trades. You have losing trades. Every single trader in the world has losing trades. The difference between the trader who succeeds and the trader who blows up his account is how small the loyalty is going to happen to him. So this is why I try to preach. That's what I have a book about it called Lose Small, Lose It All. So I can give you an example. Today I was trading my Take a Profit live account, and I took a small loss. I think I had a $50 profit on 5 accounts, and then I ended up taking like $100, then $150. So I was 150 negative per account. So then I felt myself start getting upset, and I was like, well, maybe I go bigger next time in the recovery. But then I decided to take a walk. I'm like, no, let me take a 5 minutes break. So when I came back, it's my 5-minute break. My head was clean. So not to make the wrong decision. So if you lose small, you live to trade again tomorrow. You protect your capital. You protect your mind. You stay calm. But if you let one trade turn into a disaster, if you move your stop loss because you don't want to accept you were wrong, if you add more size to a losing position, hoping it comes back, that's how accounts die. That's how dreams die. So today, I want you to ask yourself one question. Not how much can I make today, but how much am I willing to lose today before I stop, Know the number before the market opens. Write it down. Respect it like it's sacred. Because the trader who lasts 5 years, 10 years in this business, they are not the traders with the best interests. They are the traders with the best exits, the best risk management, the best discipline. So take note of that, because that's very important. So losing is part of the game. That's one of the hardest parts in trading, Accept the loss. So accepting the loss, that's very hard, Because again, day trading is not about being right every single time. I need you to hear that again. It's not about being a genius. It's about surviving long enough and being disciplined enough to let your edge play out over 100 trades, over 1,000 trades. it's a probabilistic game, you know. So have the probability being your side, guys. Now let's talk about prop firms, because so many of you ask me about this every single day. So a prop firm gives you a chance to trade a founded account without risking your own life savings. You pay a smaller fee. Let's say, for example, on those accounts here, I think I paid $70 per account, test account. Later, I paid $120. So do the math. So that's around like $700, maybe five. Yeah, maybe more than that, 800. And if you go through those accounts after 8 days, not easy. You gotta pass those nasty live drawdown. See, they reset now because that's a new day. And if you pass that, you can get paid, you know. And yeah, so if you are able to protect your account like it's your own money, if you can respect the daily loss limit, if you can respect the max drawdown, if you don't revenge after a loss, if you don't overtrade out of boredom, so you can get founded and you can get paid. So you have to slow down. So I'm gonna do a video tomorrow. I have a payout coming from Apex, $17,000. I'm gonna do a video, do my review. Of course, I got paid from Take a Profit. I have got paid from Lucid. I have got paid from multiple prop firms. So that's my first time from Apex. So I wanna wait for the payout process. Then I can share like my honest review. So question, can we get 30 likes today? It's gonna be the first time that we got 30 likes in a live stream. Let's see if we can do that. I need to move my powder here on my phone. I have a friend coming to pick up something. So yeah, so the founding account is pretty interesting, you know. It's a good concept. It's not easy because of all the whole trading emotions that we all go through it. So make sure you hit that like, you know, let's rock and roll. So again, let's bring it all together tomorrow, 3:30 a.m. Eastern time. CPI drops. That's the big moment. NASDAQ watch between 29,500 and 30,000. So waiting for that spark. Day trading is not about being right. It's about losing small so you can fight another day. So a prop firm rewards that. The market rewards that discipline, patience, and respect for risk. This is the game, guys. It's not easy, but it is simple when you keep it simple. Protect your capital, respect your stop loss, show up again tomorrow. And that's how we win. Not in one trade, in 10,000 trades, done the right way. So let's rock and roll. Market opening soon. So if you did not hear what I was saying earlier, let me actually share my screen of my Apex account. Let's see here. Let's see if they updated the number. Let me log in there really quick, so maybe you guys can see that with me. Let's see if the payout option is available there. Let's see. Let me log in. What is this? Authenticator. See if you can get paid. It's my first time getting paid from Apex. I usually don't trade them. I usually go to Lucid, take a profit. I have 5 live accounts and take a profit. So yeah, Apex have not updated the dashboard yet. Now that's what we're expecting, kind of. See? So today, after the update, the payout should be available here. So I had one violation on the first day because my account went down, I think like 5,000 negative against me in my trade. And then I ended up making 1,900, but Apex did not like that, goes against the rules. And the second day, 2,500. That day was also 3,000, 1,300. And the fifth day was 3,700. Then I start going smaller, right? Because I'm like, do it by like one contract can do it. So just waiting for that to open. I have a 500 something that I made today in the morning. So after that popping up, I'm gonna request that in 5 accounts. So let's see. I was thinking about getting more accounts since they have the promotion ending today. So it's like it's not about going like making the 20, the 20 accounts, because I mean, look, if that worked for all the accounts, I think the max that you can get is 3,500. So I'm gonna get 17,500, right? So if I could get that 35 for 20 accounts, that would be $70,000, man. And $70,000 multiplied by 5, that would be 350K. So, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I should do that. I don't know if I should get more accounts or not. I'm thinking about it still because I don't know if Apex is gonna pay, because I hear so many bad reviews online, so I need to wait, So to wait and see. But yeah, let's see. Market's gonna open in about 20 minutes. If you are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm new to YouTube, so I only have, I think, like 2 or 3 months. Still learning a lot. It's a lot to learn, YouTube is like, dude, I have no idea like how much work this thing is. It's a lot of work. And I like it, I enjoy actually doing live streams. Feel that a lot of people can learn from me, from my mistakes, from my experience. So my goal here is for other people to succeed. Trading is a hard, lonely game. There are only a few succeed because it's pretty much like you against yourself. It's not like, oh, I need someone to lose for me to make money. No, it's actually not. We are trading like with algorithms. You are trading against algorithms. If you Google right now, like, what is the percentage of algo trading on NASDAQ Futures? Let's see what's the percentage. So it's insane. It's very high. Look at it. A lot of people, they don't understand that. A lot of streamers, they have a lot of experience, but they don't understand it. They don't get it. You don't get it. Like, it's like, for me, it's kind of basic. Like, go study, go learn something, because it's like, who's manipulating the market? If there is somebody manipulating, that's the algos, But like, it's very hard for algos to be manipulating because there are so many different algos out there. They are all fighting against each other. It's like money, big money against big money. So it's like there you go. Algorithmic and high frequency trading account for an estimate 70% to 80% of total trading volume in major US index futures market, including NASDAQ 100 future, while major exchanges like NASDAQ do not publish a live daily percent specifically for index futures. Electronic derivative liquidity heavily mirror or access the automation rates seen in cash equity. It's all institutional, man. That's big money there. That's big money. Not like Diego's money or John, Patrick, whatever, Stuart money. That's institutional money, man. That's some real money there. That's algo. It's not, and again, it's not like one algo. That's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of algos fighting against each other. So we are here fighting against algos, my friends. We are not here fighting against each other. So that's why I like sharing information so people learn, you know. And I learn too. I learn a lot. Actually, I learn a lot from like older people. There was a guy here the other day, I think Steve, I think his name was Steve or Steven. Like he was sharing some good stuff, you know, like a man with experience. I think he said that he was 70 years old. So sharing his thoughts and, you know, like experience. So we're here to learn. You're never gonna like know everything in trading, you know. Trading is something that you're always gonna be learning something new every day. So we're just here waiting for the market to open and sharing some knowledge, you know? So just sharing some knowledge. The best thing to go on trading is slow. I have a note here actually. I have a note here that says, I have multiple notes with me. One it says crawl, walk, run. Go small, that's all. There is another one that says the element of good trading are cutting losses, cutting losses, and cutting losses. I think who said that was Ed Sakura or something like that. And of course, it sounds simple, but if you have a big size, it gets hard to do it. You know, when I have 1, 2, 3 contracts, those numbers are going against me. $100, $200, I cut. But when I have like 10 contracts and those numbers jump 200, 400, 600, it's like you freeze, man. It's crazy how our mind play games, you know. So you gotta be smart. You gotta be smart, and that's very hard because sometimes you go in a trade. Let's say, for example, today I went in a trade with 3 contracts, right? Boom, it worked in my favor, like 50 points. Well, the first thing usually people think, and I think it too, I go like, man, what if I had a bigger position, right? If I had a bigger position, I would have made like 5 times what I just made, right? That's all you think. But you don't think that, what if the trader went against me? That's a question to ask, you know. What if the trader went against me? So think about it, you know. Think about it. What if the trader went against me? So think about it. Because we feel like a genius when everything is working our way. So yeah. And I'm here like I'm not talking about the flashy part. Oh, I got like $50,000 payout. Oh, I got $80,000 payout. It's not that, you know. It's like if you look back here on this chart, man, it's like there are some crazy movements, you know. There's some crazy fucking movements. You go here, like, dude, you go here early in the morning. Look at that. Look at this from 9:05 to what? 9:40. You stayed here in this fucking range. Dude, it's like 40 minutes. It's 40 minutes of you, if you have a big position, looking at your P&L, going against you and going in your favor, break even. That's a long time. Of course, if you go here and you short it like right here like a ninja, that's great. Actually, I think I had a short here today, like right here, 700. And I think I got 20 points or something. That was quick. Boom. But like, those are the trades, you know, that like, oh yeah, good. Like you short right here and you cover right here. That's beautiful in high side. And like when you look back, 50 points, boom. Damn, you feel like a genius, right? But when you go here dude, that's tough. That's tough. Because when you look back, yeah, it looks beautiful downtrend. Yeah, beautiful. Look how like such a beautiful downtrend, right? But when you are in the trade, that's when things get hard, you know. So yeah, that's why if you go small, that does not hurt as much because your brain can process things quicker. Your brain goes like, hey, you were wrong. Poof, take it out. Yeah, okay, I lost $100. Okay, I lost 200. Yeah, quick. But when you are like losing 2,000, you're like, oh man, like your brain freezes. You know? So man, you're very good traders, man. Like you can go back and look like at the best traders, you know. You can look at the best traders out there. They all lose. Kevin, are we looking at another downtrend at the start of five? At the start of six? Uh, look, we have CPI numbers tomorrow. So I think we'll be in a range. Double pop somehow. 1 second, I'll be back, my friends. All right, sorry about that. I'm back. So, yeah. Yeah, I think tomorrow will be the big test, Kevin. 7:30 Eastern time. I think that's when we're gonna see where we go. So, I think tomorrow, but now I'm expecting to be like in a range, but let's see. Let's see here. So we had this range here broke down. So maybe we touch those lows. Maybe we touch 500. So 500 or 800. So let's see. Let's see what we get. I think we touch maybe 500s. So we can touch 500, so we can go first up. I think everything can happen. Let's just see. See where we go from here. I'm gonna try to go like I'm gonna try to go at the open, maybe with like a small contract. I'm gonna feel the price action. My trades appear like price action, so I see the price. I look a lot at like how the price is moving, how the candles are moving. Like for example, see those candles here? Like those candles here, they with this big wick, it's like a hammer. Those candles, like I like those candles to go long. Those candles here, I like to go short. So I watch a lot of candles. Well, we are not far from all-time highs yet, so I think if the market, looks like we are kind of like in a big bull flag on the longer time frame. Yeah, let's see the daily. Yeah, we failed here, then we went back all the way here. So I kind of can see like a big bull flag, like a small bull flag here. To the pole, and the flag starts formation here. My trades are really quick usually, so it's usually like scalp. But yeah, tomorrow morning, 7:30 Eastern time, 8:30 Central time, we get the US CPI report. So that's the Consumer Price Index. In simple words, this number tells us how fast prices are going up in America. So this is the inflation number. That would be depend of the time frame, right? Like can be a bear flag. If you look at maybe like 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes definitely a bear flag, yeah. I was looking at the one day. Yeah, 5 minutes is definitely a bear flag. Yeah, when I trade, I also trade the 1 minute. I look at the 5, I look 15, but my trades are usually based on the one. So. Let's rock and roll. We are opening in about 30 seconds. If you have not liked, please like and subscribe, and let's rock and roll. And we are opening in 5 seconds. Oh yeah. She pops. So drop and pop. Drop and pop, pop and drop. Let's see. See if we can hold up. Okay. Very divided here, the open. Bulls are pushing. So 20 points candle so far. So far the market opened very flat. So we're 20 points green. So we went forward. Yeah, I'm short with a stop on 65-ish. Yeah, it's not bad. As long as you have your stop there. I'm gonna wait a little before I take a trade. Usually I trade the first couple minutes, but now I'm gonna wait to see if we get some direction. See if we break down or break up first. Very low liquidity at the open so far. Okay, like she's dropping. Kevin's getting paid. Good job, Kevin. Rock and rolling. See if we keep rolling down.
Set my heart afire. Yeah.
And she's going down. Kevin's getting paid. See if we keep rolling down. Candle is pushing here. The buyers are stepping back up here. See here. Buyers stepping back. See if buyers did not hold. So looks like sellers are in control for now. Do you think possibly a bounce of the overnight lows? Let's see. So far, bears are in control. If I shorter here, I would put my stop 48. Just the candle here, it's kind of like bullish little candle. It's looking a little weak. Don't you like the short? Let's see the next candle. Yeah. Looking weak. Let's try one.
Order filled.
Go small. And buyers here. Let's see if the guys start back up again. Might stay here for a while. If we got anything here. It's taking too long. I'm not taking way too long. Oh yeah. It's taking too long. It'd be good if it was a long. See the next candle here. Pop up. See if we pass the support again. 634. It's failing again. That's again, the lows again. And now she goes. That was a good entry right here to the yellow line. Looks like it's fading right there. Yellow and blue. So if you want, I can just buy it perfectly. Move price up here. See, now it's testing again the yellow line. Very, very low liquidity for now. Well, for now, we're in this little range here. It's like 15 points here. See, up, down, up, down. Nothing yet. So
Cause we are trying to find a way to feel. If I could sleep, I'd
nothing yet.
dream of what we'd be. But I can feel you slip further from me. Oh, it makes it hard to be when you are all that I want, but don't have. And I'll run.
Hey folks, this is not going to be the most polished video I've ever made because I'm reacting to news that broke less than an hour ago, and it's perhaps the biggest changes to see this. Applying for YPP will need 8,000 qualified watch hours in the last 365 days, or 20 shopping products.
Okay, now looks like he's flipping to the upside. I'll try the overnight highs short. Let's see if it faded, right? See if we got a fader right here. So your short will be 60 something. So 10 points from here. $677.
Although it feels like heaven, I can't.
Oh, okay, so I see you are counting with the 330.
Old habits are hard to break. I'm losing faith. Maybe we're better off this way, but I'm still forgetting me. All I was and became.
Okay, looks like we are popping here. Let's see if we're gonna hold or we're gonna drop. Or I'm waiting to make a decision. I think a long will be good here on the 50s. I'm gonna wait a little. A short here would have a tight stop on 65-ish, 70. Yeah, if I short here, my stop will be around here. Having entry is not bad too. Some weakness here. I don't want to buy weakness. Yeah, let's see if we test this yellow line here and view up. I don't want to be buying weakness, so tomorrow morning I will be live streaming it too. So I live stream today in the morning. I'm gonna be live streaming tomorrow. So we're gonna have the CPI. So I'll be live streaming. I'm gonna try to start live streaming like. So that's maybe like I'm gonna be here for the CPI number report. So tomorrow morning at 7:30 Eastern time. So that will be 8:30 my time, Central time. I would think. Yeah. Wait, no. So that's maybe like. Yeah, no. So that's gonna be fuck. What time is that? It's like 1 hour ahead. So now that's 6:30 in Chicago. So oh fuck, I don't know if I wake up there. So but I'll be here around probably like 7 Chicago time. So tomorrow morning at 7:30 we have the US CPI report. Yeah, I don't know. I might like the long here. I think I like the long here, and I put my stop 46 something. Let's try. Let's try. If I get filled. See if I get filled by the. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. Have my order here on 52. My stop will be 42. Come on, you gotta be kidding me, NASDAQ. Trying to get like a good entry. Fighting for my entry. Yeah, tomorrow is a big day. So the market's expecting CPI to come in around 3.4% year over year, the core CPI. So what does that mean? That's pretty much like food, energy. I mean, not food, energy. That's the inflation. Sorry. And also that takes out food, energy is expected to be 2.5. So those numbers need to be watched close. I feel that we're gonna ride this yellow line, but I want a good entry, man. Need to fight for my entry. Today I got a payout request with Apex 70,500. Let's see how long they're gonna take to pay me, if they pay me. I'm debating if I get more accounts with Apex or not. Today is the last day. Have anybody that's watching the live stream got paid with Apex? Drop a message, drop a comment there. Have you ever got paid? Have anybody got paid from Apex? Yeah, I have taken a profit to have a live account with them. But it's my first time with Apex, so yeah, take a profit. I know they pay for sure. I have got a lot of payouts from Take a Profit. I have my live account that I'm going very slow. Going very slow. My Take a Profit live. I think you guys some weakness here, man. Yeah, I love Take a Profit. Take a Profit trading is my favorite, you know, like, cannot beat the daily payouts. Okay, so we are trying to hold here. Yeah, this price action, I don't know. Yeah, I know Apex, they take a while to pay. So now most of the companies, they do like you get paid right away. Like Lucid, it's like right away. Take a Profit now, it's right away. I think Top Step too, got paid for Top Step. I like the long here though. Not sure. Os candles are one of those like sit in your hand type of candle. So if we have good numbers tomorrow for the CPI, I think we're gonna blow past 30,000. Bad numbers, 20,000. So let's see, we're expecting like 1,000 points move or 500 points move. See what we're gonna get. We knocked. Yeah, it's taking too long. Taking too long. I don't like it with this price action is a little blah. If I short here, my stop is gonna be above those here, the 58s. See what the next candle gonna tell me. Yeah, above this little view up here. But with the liquidity that we have now, it's like anything can pop with this thing. It can pop like crazy, you know? Very, very low liquidity. Yeah, this candle's a lot, very blah. It's taking too long. La 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 la. Yeah, tomorrow will be live in the morning, so if you're not doing anything tomorrow morning, come hang out. Let's make some money. Yeah, this price action very blah. But I feel that we're gonna have like or a big pop anytime or like a big drop. That's the type of price action I see. Now you guys on Twitter? Are you any of you on Twitter, man? This Twitter is just a lot of flexing, like, you know. Are you any of you on Twitter, man? This Twitter is just a lot of flexing, like, you know. Are you any of you on Twitter, man? Just a lot of flexing. Trying to find like some helpful stuff on Twitter. Yeah, looks like we might get that pop. Oh, there she goes. That's what I'm talking about. That pop.
Order filled. Order filled.
See, she holds that
Order
pop,
filled.
right? That's the big question now. And if we drop below the 50s, I'm out. My entry is good. My entry is good. See if we keep it rolling. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. I feel that we're gonna have like a big pop. But it looks like it's not holding, so yep, I'm gonna cut it. So let's break below that 50s. I'm gonna cut it. We might stop here. Yeah, shit's dropped. Oh yeah,
Order
shit's
filled.
froze. It might be like a tweet or something. Let me try to find. Nope, no tweet yet, at least, because now looks like we have some special people that are paying for tweet. Let's see.
Order filled.
Just don't let it go. I started the fight, but now I'm losing. So will I fall again? I'm scared of heights, yet it was me.
It's like I feel like its price kind of looks like it's froze. And it's like my price is frozen. Try one more.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's some crazy price action right there. Let's see if we get continuation to the downside. Looks like nope. Look, I might have to cut my loss right here. 57. Yeah, it's some crazy price action right there. Let's see if we get
I
continuation to the
can't
downside.
forgive,
Looks like nope.
can't forget myself. The peace that I
It's
miss.
kind of very low liquidity, barely moving.
I need help. Oh, please give me back this one part, this one that I'm sorry I lost it. No, I let my weapons fall. I'm drowning in the fears, and now I know that I will fall again and let it go, but I can't stop to
See if we drop it here. Yeah, we're in the middle of the range. That's where we are. See, there's a range here. We're in the middle. So, see, that's the range. 65-ish to 30. So it's kind of like a 30 points range. And we are in the middle. So, yeah, the price kind of froze. Yeah, usually I'm not a big fan of those price action because it's like you don't see the movement, you know. The movement just comes very fast. So yeah, usually I'm not a big fan of those price action because Let's see if we go lower. My entry is right on top of the up. Nope. Yeah, looks like you're going higher. If we hold or we drop, what's going on? It's trying to go higher. Let's see if we gotta follow through. Yeah, sometimes opportunities, you can find some good opportunities there. Sometimes it moves slow, so just like preference, Yeah, so far looks like I'm kind of stuck in here. It looks like so slow. Such a low liquidity, Such a low liquidity. Like if you look at the bid and the ask, you know, in the last price, so it keeps going on this little range, 55, 50. So see if you get like a pop or a drop. But the liquidity is very low. Like in the middle of the range. See, the last price keeps holding 50, 650. So now the bid went to like 49, 25, 49, 48. See if we drop. There we go, there she goes. Let's take one there. Yeah, come on. I'm gonna take one at least. And it's like she's holding him. Let's take one down, 44. I'm gonna stop to almost my entry. See if we sell. There we go. Sell. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. We are in this range. Here's the range. 34 to 55. So the candle here is holding the range. Looks like this candle is trying to do the same. Alright, I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, let's cut it then. If we keep rolling, if we keep going down, looks like she's gonna keep going down. You have now like and subscribe, please like and subscribe. It really helps. Having a small YouTube channel really helps, you know. Looks like he's going, but now see if we bounce again from here. So we previously bounced 630. Let's rock and roll. See if we bounce from here, we're gonna keep going down. What's up? What's up? I mean, I see more downside to tell the truth. I think I'm gonna get in again. See if we bounce from here, we're gonna keep going down. One thing I don't like is getting on support, you know, if you're short here and that thing just one big fucking red candle takes me. But looks like we might go all the way to 27 again. That's where she's going. Horrible exit there, 44. Yeah, you see, that's what I'm talking about. You go short here, this bitch pops for you. So the entry is very important, you know, having a good entry. But that was a very weak pop. Gotta buy it, like sellers push back down again. So see one other green candle and test this fucking moving average here. I mean a short all the way here. It's doable. The stop loss all the way here. That's it. Okay, yeah. So you're gonna test the moving average again. Wow. She went through it. Well, this candle took out 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles. So just that you can see, you know, short here, my stop would be all the way here, 55. So 10 points to maybe 20ish, 30ish. It's not bad, not that bad risk reward for a short here. I guess you don't want to short this strength. I want to kind of like short weakness. You know? Now, she gonna pop or what? That was a good green candle. You know, we bounced from 634. That's the range I was talking about. And it looks like the market froze. So fucking low that freeze sometimes now. Yeah, look at that. So slow. Come on. Oh yeah, look at it. Crazy. Okay, let me try one. I get field of force. My stop is gonna be 10 points. That's such a horrible price. Such a horrible price, man. It's a how ugly price. She like the short, but Genok, I have been trading for over 16 years. I used to trade penny stock, then I went to trade small caps, then I went to trade options, then I went to trade all the blue chips like Apple, Facebook, all the NASDAQ stocks. And then later I went to futures, then later I went back to small caps. Then later I took all my money from my trading account and I decided to invest in a trucking business. So I ended up getting screwed there. But yeah, overall 16 years, man. Genox, that's for you. I actually don't know how to reply on X. It looks like you, because I'm like everywhere. I'm on YouTube. So I'm streaming on multiple channels, and I see that your question came from X. But I don't know how to reply to that. Let me see if I can reply. Can you see my comment? I don't know how it works. But yeah. So overall, over 16 years. Oh, I see it now. Now I see the comment part. Now I see it. Okay, she's trying to hold here. Let's see what the 5 minutes tells me. We're in a range. We're in this range here. Bouncing from 30s. Maybe go back to 60s. So it looks like we're popping back, man. We are back on View app. Feel like we want to do a cross here, maybe. Look at that. See that thing crossing? See if we cross to the upside. Oh yeah, because she popped. And she pops. Let's see if she's gonna hold that pop. If she holds that pop, I'm gonna try one long again. Well, my stop on 48. Yeah, it's doable. Let's see if I get filled.
Order filled.
If I get filled. See if she goes. The stop will be here. Can I have like a crazy? Go ahead and hold that. Sellers are pushing back down. But she's not holding. pushed a little, but not very strong. Yeah, sellers are holding up. See right here? Sellers are trying to hold her. See if buyers can step up. The buyers and sellers here fighting for it. See the difference in bid and ask? So that means there's not much liquidity, you know. I mean, there is a lot of liquidity. The bid and ask are very tight, very close. So that means there's not much liquidity. Up to 60 starting those highs, that would be nice, but let's see. Seems like it takes such a long time, man. Low liquidity, man. Low liquidity, that's all. Yeah, sellers are holding pretty well, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I like it. I might cut it. It's the low liquidity game. People changing the rules? Oh yeah. No, então. Oh, this low liquidity game is horrible. Look at this price. Look at that price. Horrible. Look at that. It's like the bid and ask is horrible. I'm gonna cut this down. Horrible price. Horrible price action. It's like right back to my entry. You see those gaps in price? It's bad liquidity. It's the algos are sleeping, you know. Let me Google when Apex updates the dashboard. When does Apex update the dashboard for payouts? What time? Key account metrics usually at midnight. Yeah, it looks like a midnight the update, so technically tomorrow morning I will be able to review that. Tomorrow morning I'll be able to request this Apex payout. Look at this price, man. That's an ugly price there. That's some ugly price. We dropped to 46, up to 50s. Apex payout usually takes 2 to 5 business days once they send the confirmation email, but I have seen it stretch for a week, sometimes depends on your banking payment method. Try to make more efficient time on the payout. Wow, some people complaining that Apex has been 10 business days, 14. Wow, that's crazy. Once you get the money sent email, starting the next business days when you start counting. 3 to 7 business days time frame they give. Yeah, I have a request with Apex, and I'm going to request actually, so it's reading online. Yeah, what do you guys think? Should I get more Apex accounts or what? I think I got about getting like 15 more. I have a total of 20 Apex. What do you guys think? Is that a good idea? Well, I'm crazy. Because I have a payout request tonight, so I mean, technically, I'm probably going to request that tomorrow morning, since they take a while to update the dashboard. And since they have the legacy account going away, I must think about getting like 15 more. Having a total of 20 accounts, but I'm not sure if it's a good idea or bad idea. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or bad idea, those legacy accounts, to get more accounts in. Because if you do the math, man, now I'm going to request 17,500. If I had 20 accounts, that would be 70,000. Shit, that's not bad. Not bad to get 70K. If you get 2 payouts, that's 140. 4 payout, 280. Okay, then now we're pulling. Now we're pulling. Now she's pulling. He's pulling back. It's range, man. We're in a range for now. Let's see where she goes from here. Look at this price. It's a 10 points range. Short key or stop had to be 50s. So now we're below VWAP. Let's travel. See if we get filled. Price is so bad. The move is so weird. Oof. I'm not good. It's a quick close there. It's good that I put quick reaction. Good quick reaction right there. Taking the loss. Even though it can drop back down, but better to cut it, you know.
Everything we believe.
If you have not hit the like, please hit like and subscribe. So we got 7 likes. Let's see if we can make it 10. You guys rock. This price action does not rock. It's definitely not a pretty price action. Oh boy. Let's go through the channel. Now, and channel.
stages, yeah. Future vibes. Bright lights, they put me in a daze, and I can't stop but think about the way that you move around, up and down on that stage. It's your future vibes.
Guys, so let's have a real talk here. Well, let's start with tomorrow, Wednesday, August 12th. And guys, this is a big one. So tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get the US CPI report. That's the Consumer Price Index. In simple words, this number tells us how far prices are going up in America. This is the inflation number. The market is expecting CPI to come in around 3.4 year over year. Core CPI, which takes out food and energy, is expected around 2.5%. What the number closely? Why does this matter to us? Because the Fed wants this number true. If inflation comes in hot, higher than expected, the market can panic. Rate cut hopes goes down, and NASDAQ can drop fast. So if inflation is coming cool, lower than expected, the market can celebrate. Rate cut hopes go up, and NASDAQ can rip higher. So tomorrow morning before 7:30, close all your extra tabs, turn off the noise, because that number moves the whole market in seconds. And that's not the only thing on the calendar tomorrow. Before the US CPI, we also get German inflation data and Italian inflation data early in the morning. Look at this price, man. Look at this price action. Look at this price action. Crazy. We're bouncing again through here. My sevens. Let's try now. See if we bounce again there. See if we get a follow through. Oh, it's so low. It's such a low liquidity. But look at the seller here. Very low liquidity, man. Yeah, there's no way someone can trade with this low liquidity. No way. See if we break down now. It should breaks down. So far, it's like stupid range here. Should have gone down. So far, we're in a range. A lot of people talking about gold. Let's see what's going on with gold. And gold is in a huge bull flag on the 1 hour chart. 4 hours as well. Daily got a crazy recovery on gold. Let's try the short now. We could get filled. Not a lovable price. It's very hard to get filled in this price. Fill this price, ugly price. Such an ugly price. I tried to get in at 45. I was not able to get in at 45. Put my order there. My order did not go through. Very ugly price action entirely. I like the short though, but let's try. See if we get now. Yeah, now I got it. I'm in. Stop will be 10 points. 10 points. Let's see if we'll drop. Let's see if we finally get the drop we're expecting. So now we price action. Just back to my entry. That's a support here. It's the only thing I don't like about the entry. Can we break this stupid support here? It's tough. It's holding really well. go, baby. Going or what? At this point, I think it's like 50-50. Okay. Back to my entry. And that's weird because my positions 644.25. The last price is 643. But the ask in the bid, that's what's happening. See? Maybe the bouncing here from the stupid moving average. And like that, the ask is 46. The ask is very far. Weird, man. That's how weird it is. See? Like almost on my entry. Had one more there.
Order filled.
Let's see if she drops. B43. B need to drop. So I must stop somehow. One ugly price action. No bid went higher, then lower again. Yeah, so Tokyo opens in 30 minutes, so I think that's when we're gonna see like the real move. And you're gonna see liquidity come in. Yeah.
Order filled.
Cutting. Did not go. You gotta cut. If you have not liked and subscribed, please hit like. Let's see if we can get 10 likes tonight, guys. Thank you very much. And we're back here on this little range. We got the cross here. Maybe we get the cross. Maybe not. Let's just flip into the upside. And she's popping. That's completely flipped. This is gonna fail now. It'll be interesting. Still.
Order filled.
See if we go in. Maybe some continuation. Oof, no. Maybe now we got a continuation I was looking for. Come on. She goes, come on. Come on, baby girl. See, give me 40s. There she goes, baby. There she goes, baby. Kaboom, 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 shot. Kaboom, 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 shot. Kaboom, kaboom, kombucha. You going for a walk? I'll go with you. You want me to go with you? Yeah, 2 hours already, huh? 2 hours. Everybody got rich because of me. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. I'll be live in the morning. See you.